Hell yeah, brother. You're on the I'm a Top Gun YouTube channel. Welcome. This is Chris here with CJ, and we're going to do a challenge today. It's the Trumps for Trucks challenge.
I thought it was the Trucks for Trump challenge.
Yeah, the Trucks for Trump challenge. The way this is going to work is we're going to have these two TRX4s, and we're going to put Fruitios, organic Fruit Loops called Fruitios, into the back of these cups. We're going to drive the trucks around, and we're going to see who spills all the Cheerios first.
Just one thing.
Yep.
This video is not sponsored by these
Fruitios.
Fruitios.
Okay. So let's get these cups filled up.
But they are tasty. That's one thing to know.
All right, the cups are full.
But I would definitely think that Fruit Loops would be better, but I don't know because I have a whole dairy allergy type thing.
The nice thing about this is we can also, these get sprinkled throughout the yard and then the animals can eat them.
Yeah. Sorry for those people who like Fruit Loops because they don't have a dairy allergy. Sorry.
That's all right.
Daddy, do you have to get like the tiniest cups ever? This challenge is gonna end quick. By the way, you have more in yours than me. You have like one or two extra Cheerios right on the top.
It won't matter.
Yeah, because they'll fall off right in the beginning. Oh, that's a good thing to know. You don't want to go too fast. I just dropped one of my Cheerios.
Okay. Here we go. So one person will lead and the other person will follow.
I guess I'll follow you.
Well, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do.
Okay, I think I want to go first.
All right.
But I don't know what decision I should make. Oh, I stuck my tire on you. Okay. Let's do some crawling over here first. So we're going to want to come right here. This might take one right here.
Whoa. Well, let's start heading towards the rocks.
Yeah. We gotta figure out a way to figure out how it's even for us to swim. But obviously, if it's gonna be even, you have to.
This is the first ever Trucks for Trump challenge. All the proceeds for this challenge go to the 2024 Trump campaign.
Wait, what? What did you say? The winner?
Oh, CJ didn't hear that. So the winner of the Trucks for Trump challenge, all the proceeds that winner receives and that this video makes goes towards the 2024 Trump campaign.
What is a campaign? Let's do this one.
Campaign is when they go on the road and they talk about themselves and why they should be president.
Okay. First off, let's start right here, right where this tiny rock is. We're going to climb up. Then we're going to try to bump with like this. Right up. Here, I got to watch the back of it so that I can see. Oh yeah, we should be pretty safe to go down without dropping any materials. So we're gonna come over like this. Then we're gonna come to a hard landing. There we go. Keep moving down. Careful. Slowly, slowly. Oh! Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna try to make it through this rock. I don't even have a plan for this rock. I'm gonna try to do something with this rock. We're gonna put one wheel here. Oh, you know what? I have an idea. So let's go.
You do have it in low gear, right?
What?
You have it in low, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely faster.
All right, don't knock all your cherries off. Fruitios.
Oh, I didn't realize it was a drop one.
All right, let's go.
My steering didn't work. We're gonna go all the way.
Don't run over the
up,
frog.
And then we're not gonna touch anything and let it go down. Oh, you know what? Screw's not touching anything. Okay. So we're gonna go all the way up and then go all the way down. And then I'll show you what the next thing is. Then come up here. So go all the way up. This one's pretty hard when you go down. And now you can let it go down. Up, down. Get ready. Right when you hit that bump right there, it's scary. It looks like it's gonna tip over. See?
Whoa, that was scary.
Okay. Now I'm gonna try to do this. Attempt number 1, even though I only get one attempt. Oh, I
Oh!
lost.
We have our first loser of the Trucks for Trump challenge. But it's okay because see what happens is now we have some Fruitios over here,
Yeah, but one
and
thing.
these were organic, and the animals can eat.
Hang
them.
on, but let's
So
just
it's
see.
food for the animals.
Let's just see if you can make it over here.
Okay, I'll try
But
it.
you have to have like one wheel over here and one up here. You have to.
All right, you tell me if I'm doing it right. Am I doing it right?
Yep. Let's fill my truck back up. So we'll do best out of 3. So first we'll fill my truck back up. Nope, you gotta have that. You gotta have that wheel. Yep. Just turn that wheel down a little bit. Yep. Okay, now you can continue.
Whoa!
You were supposed to go all the way over here and then turn.
Oh wow! But it worked somehow.
Okay, so you won that one. Let's refill mine. You'll lead this time. And we'll see who wins. This is the end.
Oh!
Oh, I took over.
Oh!
I just wanted to do that for the sake of it. Oh, we can use this to mow the lawn.
Try it again.
Okay, let's go fill my truck back
You
up.
could try it. Do it again.
Okay. Very satisfying.
All right, I think that's where we're going to leave this video here for now, but we'll do this again. Stay tuned for the next Trucks for Trump challenge.
Say
Part 2 to be continued. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications when our next video comes. Peace out, yos.